I need to buy this for tomorrow, the halal chicken for our guests. So I just buy it and have them put in the fridge and we'll come back to pick up later. นี่ไก่ดำ black chicken. I just bought the halal chickens. These are free range chicken for our guests tomorrow. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. We have many hello. After we've been driving around yesterday to get the halal chicken. Yeah, I can say it right. So now we're making yellow curry and green curry. So this is a green curry. He frying paste until the oil is breaking. You see that? This stage, very important. Make the chicken of soap spice has more flavor. You see chicken white? Yeah? It's still not completely cooked. It's okay. Add all the rest of the milk before it burn. You see sizzling? You smell it? When it's sizzling and smell it, you add a little bit of milk. Turn the heat lower. The heat might be high, low. Yeah. And mix. Fresh milk, put it in.
Halal chicken going
Halal chicken going in. Mix it in. If I don't say it correctly, don't be mad, okay? Please forgive me. Thai tongue.
I really appreciate you
Mix.
accommodating my needs.
Yeah, mix. Okay, then before burn, we add all the milk. You see, because you're pressing the paste, it gets stuck here. Clean. Yeah, mix it. And then everything except this one, and let it boil, yeah? Let it boil even deeper and thicker, taste better. Wait, nah.
Oh, spicy.
Is it too much? Can you handle it?
I can manage.
Yeah.
It's okay for me.
Green curry should be spicy and sweet in the same time, right? Yeah.
I like it.
Press some more potato, get the consistency. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Okay. You see the consistency is thick. When you make a serving, you can put beside the rice and shallot on top. Yep. Beautiful. And then the shallot for garnish on top. That's crispy shallot. Look at that. Ta-da! It's beautiful. Look at that. Hello. Can you cut?